Hey guys, so I've got a wireless car charger here by Anserx. It's got a nice simple design going by the image on the box, but let's get it open. Cool, so inside the box you get the phone holder itself, which has a button at the back for releasing the arm clamp. I'll demo that shortly. You also get an air vent mount along with a screw cap to tighten it. You get two of these. If you don't fancy mounting on the vent, then you can use the dashboard or windscreen mount instead. It's got an extendable arm and a rotatable ball joint so you can angle it however you want. You also get this 3-in plate for mounting the charger on your dashboard. I personally prefer mounting to the air vent. There's also a microUSB cable in the box, but you have to source your own power adapter. Okay, time to get it in the car. I like to mount it to the air vent because I think it's the best place for it and it just looks much cleaner. Yep, it looks good. It's got a cool auto clamp feature so you can use it one-handed. See that? To remove the phone, you can press the button at the back or press the metal sensor at the bottom and the arms release. Nice. It works with all QI compatible devices and works well. It also looks good, so that's a bonus. Oh, and if you want, you can use it in landscape mode too, thanks to its 360-degree ball joint. And yes, you can use it with a phone case as long as it's no thicker than 8mm. It works nicely with my case for my iPhone, as you can see here. All in all, this is a great car wireless charger. It looks good and works exactly like it should. Aside from the lack of power adapter in the box, I've got no complaints and would totally recommend it. If you fancy one for yourself, then you can find a link to it in the description below. Thanks for watching.